I absolutely love coming back to a job after I've done it and looking at the work we did. Love it. Welcome back, Warriors. Another episode of Lee Landscapes Life Stories. Look at that beautiful pyracanther behind me. I'll tell you what, I put that there for a reason. It's the fall colors with those berries. And it covers these walls perfect. See? Got the beautiful weeping blue atlas right in the middle. And those two on the sides. So definitely helped cover up them walls back there. The new age thought process is telling us all that we live in a simulation. Well, if we live in a simulation, humans are way, way, way behind the creator. Because this simulation I live in, that we can dig a hole in the earth, feel it in our hands, see the goodness in it, plant a beautiful tree, watch it grow, train it the way we wish. Man, Elon, you ain't got nothing on the creator of the universe. So that just tells me who I should be focused on and what I should be noticing about life. God is great, and no matter what you call him, what your religion is, he is the creator. So it's Friday. I'm out here by myself finishing up this trim job. Not always the smartest thing on a ladder, but I've done this for a long time on this property. I know exactly what's going on, nice flat land. And once again, we'll go through and we'll have a good day. Trimming bushes, making the world beautiful, all right? Let's do it. So that mission right there, trimming these large pyracantha, took about an hour, all right? So that included picking up all the big, heavy thorn debris that was falling all over the place while I was trimming. If you've never seen these things, they have big, huge Jesus Christ thorns, I call them. I'm gonna keep on rolling. I gotta go ahead and trim these hedges that I'm trying to form on both sides. Even them up just a little bit, but nothing major. So there's more to trim on the back side, but yeah, I'm happy with the way those turned out. See, told you just a little bit of trimming. Just trying to get all these four to even out. So if you continuously trim just the tall stuff and shave off that front as needed, it'll end up turning into a nice hedge. So that's the whole goal. Got this one down here too, and that one right there. So see, this is before I trimmed it, and not gonna do much at all. So after the trimming, see, I trimmed these two on the left. I didn't trim the third one, and I trimmed the fourth one. So they're getting to be the same size, and you can see I shaved just a little bit to start that straight hedge effect. So it's coming along, not too bad. These little guys I just barely touched just to even up these two in the middle, and same thing here, just barely flatten them. It's 2:15 now, and the whole property's done except for this one corner back here. So got a few things over here and a few things in this bed right here. I'll show you real quick. So the blue star junipers get no trimming, but The pyramidal boxwoods do get trimmed. There's a couple of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got some gray polys down there. You just get slightly trimmed. This side over here, that huge thing is trimmed back. And I'm not sure what happened to the ligustrum this year, but these didn't come back. Most of my properties that came back after the hard freeze last winter. So, at any rate, we'll get all this mess cleaned up. And when I say we, I mean you and me, us, here on YouTube. We're gonna get it cleaned up because I'm solo. Let's do it. I'm gonna tackle this big guy next. Hit these deadest ligustrum and clean up. Yeah. So real quick, if you missed yesterday's video, all that trimming got done. Just topiaries, hedges, some good work done. So let me show you what we got. And yeah, it's been a beautiful day and good vibes, okay? So we cleaned off this whole bank here. There's our monster shrub to be trimmed. And now it's all nice and clean. All right, warriors, follow me back to the house and we'll sit down and have some conversation. Thanks for hanging out with me today while I did this work. Let's go talk. I didn't go to college. I didn't take classes. I don't even have one of those phone apps. Although they do have apps on your phone now, and they have all sorts of things that you can use like these. So look, each of these tags has everything you need to know about the plant. Everything. So why not save these tags and learn and use them as flashcards just like you used to do in math class when you were little and you were learning addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all that stuff. Why not? That's the way I learned. And here I am 30 years into my career, a little bit past 30 years, and still learning, but knowledgeable enough to do good quality work for my clients. And I have the knowledge base up here just from those tags. If you sound knowledgeable, most of the time it means you are knowledgeable, right? Because you can't sound knowledgeable without having the knowledge up here. Hey, just a quick little advice is don't be just a mowing guy. Be I'm everything guy. I can take care of your whole property, anything you need done. It's me. So, in closing, be good if you can, always be kind, above all, love each other. Peace. Elite Landscape Style.